Hey everyone, what's going on? My name is Jeff Bacalar, and look what I have. I have the Super Nintendo Classic Mini Edition. It's very small, and I desperately want to open it up, so let's go and do it. Okay, just your standard literature from Nintendo and Company. Thank you very much for that. We appreciate all you have to say. Looks like we got a power supply. That's important. Okay, let's just first take this in and remember back to better times. This feels just the way you want it to, just the way you remember. And you know what, everybody? I think we've got longer controller wires. Hold on. Oh, you always go the wrong way first, don't you? You just always do. There you have it. We're looking at like 6 feet or something. Well done, Nintendo. You listen to customer feedback, and that's why I love you. All right, carbon copy right here, another controller. That's very generous. 2 controllers in the box. Okay. And we also have USB for charging and power. For power, can't charge this thing. And an HDMI cable because you need that to hook it up to your TV. All right, and let's finally get a look at the oh my God, is this cute. Super Nintendo Classic. It is so adorably small. I just want to take it home and give it a little kiss and tuck it to bed. Look at that. Really, really nice. The cartridge slot doesn't push in, but that's fine because this can't use cartridges. It's just a piece of plastic. You're looking here on the back. You've got HDMI. You've got a USB power supply port, and that's about it. The eject button doesn't work either, but that's okay. The power, just like you remember if you're old enough, on and off. And then we've got that reset button. That springy reset button. So I'm going to see, here we are. All right, so this is okay. That's not the best, but there you have it. That's how the controllers pop in. Just a little pull down flap there. It's connected by a piece of rubber. I don't know. That's okay, I guess. Not ideal, but this is how it's gonna look for you when you're using it. Okay, that's fine. I can deal with that. But there you have it. It's that same interface as the NES Classic and the Wii and Wii U interface port. So my money's on you'll be able to use some legacy controllers with this thing too. And there you have it. The palm-sized Super NES Classic. It's here. It's coming out September 29th. It's $80. Nintendo says they're making more of them. Do you believe them? I want to. I really do, and I hope they do because a lot of people want this thing. All the pre-orders are gone, so hopefully they made good on what they've said, and they made enough for everyone who wants one of these to buy one. Let's look at it side by side with the controller. The controller is pretty much the same size as the console itself. This is great. You've got a bunch of games preloaded on it, in addition to Star Fox 2, which never came out here in the US, so that's pretty awesome. All right, so there you have it, September 29th, $80, the Super NES Classic. I'm gonna give this a full review and have that for you in a few days. Until then, thank you so much for watching.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.